Don't blink. We've hunted down 20 Amazon Black Friday bike gadgets you can grab at 50% off in 2025. From rare, trending accessories to must-have gear that upgrades your ride, these deals won't last long. Limited stock, massive savings, and high-value finds await, perfect for cyclists who want to ride smarter and safer. Stick around till the end. You won't want to miss a single item. Number 1. RoyalBaby Kids Easy Freestyle Bike was $189.99, now $152.99 in 19%. If your little rider is ready to explore, the RoyalBaby Kids Easy Freestyle Bike is a perfect pick. Lightweight, durable, and designed for ages 4 to 8, it features an adjustable seat, smooth tires, and easy-to-grip handlebars. Right now, you can grab it for $152.99, down from $189.99, saving 19%. A great early Black Friday deal for parents who want a safe, fun, and stylish bike for their kids. Number 2. Grin Technologies. The 5 Universal E-Bike Torque Arm was $39.98, now $34.99, 12%. E-bike riders, protect your frame with the Grin Technologies 5 Universal E-Bike Torque Arm. This lightweight, durable torque arm fits most hub and mid-drive motors, keeping your e-bike secure while improving longevity. With Black Friday savings, you can grab it for just $34.99, down from $39.98, saving 12%, a small investment for big protection, making it a must-have for anyone who loves riding safely and maintaining their e-bike's performance. Number 3. Lamicall Bike Phone Holder. Mount was $18.99, now $14.99, 21%. Never drop your phone again with the Lamicall Bike Phone Holder Mount. Its adjustable grip fits most smartphones, rotates 360 degrees, and keeps your device secure for navigation, fitness apps, or music. Right now, it's only $14.99, down from $18.99, saving 21%. This small, practical gadget makes rides smarter and safer, and Black Friday is the perfect time to grab it at a steal before stock runs out. Number 4. Ultra Slim USB-C Rechargeable Bike Light Set was $17.99, now $16.99, 6%. Light your way with the Ultra Slim USB-C Rechargeable Bike Light Set, featuring front and rear lights with 4 modes and USB-C charging. It's compact, sleek, and perfect for daily rides. For only $16.99, down from $17.99, saving 6%, you get high-quality visibility without the bulk. Black Friday makes this deal even sweeter for riders looking for a stylish, functional, and affordable lighting upgrade. Number 5. Rechargeable Super Bright Bike Light Set was $25.99, now $16.99, 35%. Stay safe on the road with the Rechargeable Super Bright Bike Light Set. With 6 modes, waterproof design, and easy installation, these front and rear lights ensure maximum visibility. Now available for $16.99, down from $25.99, saving 35%. This Black Friday deal is perfect for cyclists seeking high-lumen, durable, and affordable lighting that won't break the bank. Number 6. Vertical Freestanding Bike Stand Rack was $44.99, now $35.99, at 20%. Keep your bikes organized with the Vertical Freestanding Bike Stand Rack. Sturdy and adjustable, it can hold 1 or more bikes upright, saving space and preventing scratches. This Black Friday, grab it for $35.99, down from $44.99, saving 20%. Ideal for garages or apartments, it's a practical, space-saving solution that every cyclist will appreciate. Number 7. Whale Fall Waterproof Bike Frame Bag was $29.99, now $21.99, 27%. Carry your essentials safely with the Whale Fall Waterproof Bike Frame Bag. Compact, easy to attach, and water-resistant, it's perfect for snacks, tools, or phones. Black Friday deal pricing makes it $21.99, down from $29.99, saving 27%. A stylish, functional accessory for any cyclist who wants hands-free storage and protection on every ride. Number 8. RockBROS Bike Water Bottle Holder was $10.99, now $8.99, 18%. Stay hydrated on the go with the RockBROS Bike Water Bottle Holder. Lightweight, sturdy, and easy to install, it fits most standard bottles and keeps them secure on every ride. Right now, it's just $8.99, down from $10.99, saving 18%. A simple, affordable upgrade every cyclist should grab this Black Friday. Number 9. CYCPLUS CYCPLUS electric air compressor pump was $56.99, now $36.99, 35%. Inflate your tires in seconds with the CYCPLUS electric air compressor pump. Compact, rechargeable, and accurate with a digital display, it works on both road and mountain bikes. Black Friday pricing makes it $36.99, down from $56.99, saving 35%. Perfect for cyclists who want a fast, hassle-free way to keep their tires in top shape. Number 10. Metal Fidget Spinner Bike Chain Toy was $9.99, now $8.99 and 10%. Add a playful touch to your bike with the Metal Fidget Spinner Bike Chain Toy. Easy to install and durable, it creates a mesmerizing effect as you pedal. Perfect for fun rides or showing off. Grab it for $8.99, down from $9.99, saving 10%. This Black Friday deal is ideal for cyclists who love quirky, unique gadgets on their bike. Number 11. Rechargeable LED Bike Tail Light was $13.88, now $12.02, 13%. Keep your rides safe with the rechargeable LED Bike Tail Light. Compact, durable, and bright, it ensures you're visible to cars and pedestrians even at night. With USB charging and multiple light modes, it's convenient and reliable. Grab it this Black Friday for just $12.02, down from $13.88, saving 13%. A small investment for big safety, perfect for riders who want extra visibility without spending a fortune. Number 12. Fantic X9 Ace Mini Electric Bike Pump was $57.99, now $39.96, 31%. Inflate your tires quickly with the Fantic X9 Ace Mini Electric Bike Pump. Portable, rechargeable, and powerful, it works on road, mountain, and electric bikes with ease. Its compact design makes it perfect for on-the-go use. Black Friday deal pricing brings it down to $39.96 from $57.99, saving 31%. A must-have gadget for cyclists who want convenience, speed, and reliable tire pressure wherever they ride. Number 13. Lyson Bike Phone Holder for iPhone was $29.98, now $15.99, 47%. Keep your iPhone secure while riding with the LISEN Bike Phone Holder. Designed specifically for Apple devices, it fits snugly, rotates for optimal viewing, and keeps your phone safe from bumps. Black Friday pricing makes it just $15.99, down from $29.98, saving an incredible 47%. Perfect for navigation, fitness tracking, or music, this accessory is a practical and affordable upgrade for every iPhone-wielding cyclist. Number 14. Electric Bike Pump 160 PSY with gauge was $59.99, now $39.99, where 33%. Never struggle with low tires again. The Electric Bike Pump 160 PSI with gauge makes inflating tires effortless and precise. Its powerful motor and digital gauge ensure accuracy for all types of bikes, including e-bikes. Grab it this Black Friday for $39.99, down from $59.99, saving 33%. Compact, efficient, and portable, it's a must-have gadget for serious cyclists who want speed, convenience, and reliable tire maintenance. Number 15. Mini Electric Bike Pump 150 PSI with gauge was $34.99, now $32.99, 6%. For quick and easy tire inflation, the Mini Electric Bike Pump 150 PSI with gauge is a lifesaver. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for carrying on rides or keeping at home for emergencies. Right now it's available for $32.99, down from $34.99, saving 6%. A simple, reliable tool for cyclists who want fast, accurate tire pressure without fuss, this mini pump is a convenient addition to your biking setup. Number 16. Wise 2 e-bike hitch mount rack was $219.99, now $199.99, 9%. Transport your bikes safely with the YZ2 e-bike hitch mount rack. Built for stability and durability, it holds 2 bikes securely on the back of your car. Perfect for trips and adventures. Black Friday savings bring it down to $199.99 from $219.99, saving 9%. For cyclists who love weekend rides or traveling with their e-bikes, this rack makes loading and transporting effortless and stress-free. Number 17. Blitzu Super Bright USB-C Bike Light Set was $34.99, now $18.99, 46%. Light up your night rides with the Blitzu Super Bright USB-C Bike Light Set. Front and rear lights offer multiple brightness modes and rechargeable convenience, perfect for city streets or trails. Black Friday pricing drops it to $18.99, down from $34.99, saving 46%. A rare deal on a powerful, compact, and stylish lighting set, ideal for riders who want safety and visibility without spending a fortune. Number 18. 8-pack bicycle accessories combo kit was $36.99, now $29.97, 19%. Upgrade your ride with the 8-pack bicycle accessories combo kit. Featuring essentials like lights, bells, and storage, this set covers all your basic cycling needs. Perfect for new riders, or as a gift, it combines practicality and value. Black Friday pricing makes it just $29.97, down from $36.99, saving 19%. A convenient, high-value bundle that gives every cyclist multiple useful tools in one simple package. Number 19. Wotao Bike Frame Triangle Storage Bag was $21.99, now $17.99, 18%. Carry your essentials safely with the Wotao Bike Frame Triangle Storage Bag. Water-resistant and compact, it fits neatly inside your bike's frame, perfect for tools, snacks, or a phone. Grab it this Black Friday for $17.99, down from $21.99, saving 18%. Stylish, functional, and durable, it's a practical upgrade for cyclists who want hands-free storage and protection on every ride. Number 20. Super Bright USB Rechargeable Bike Lights was $29.63, now $19.96, 33%. Ride safely at night with the Super Bright USB Rechargeable Bike Lights. Front and rear lights provide powerful illumination, multiple modes, and easy USB charging. Black Friday pricing makes them only $19.96, down from $29.63, saving 33%. Compact, durable, and perfect for commuters or trail riders, these lights are a must-have accessory to boost visibility and safety on every ride. That's a wrap on the 20 Amazon Black Friday Bike Gadgets Deals 2025, all at up to 50% off. Don't miss these rare, trending, and high-value accessories. Grab yours now and upgrade your ride before they're gone.